Hello, this is Al Riddick of Game Time Budgeting with your 5-minute money message. First of all, Happy New Year. 2021 is here, and I'm sure you are excited about all that is in store over the next year. For those of you who decided to create a New Year's financial resolution, congratulations. And for those of you who did not, no worries, you can begin tomorrow. The purpose of this video is to pose a few questions that will act as a guide to hopefully allow you to create a better financial foundation for 2021. Just to give you a little bit of background, I've been married over 18 years, and every year since I got married, my wife and I have done an end of year annual review. Now, in this conversation, we discuss our marriage, we discuss goals from the previous year, we set goals for the next year, and of course, we discuss finances as well. So I thought it might be helpful for you if I pose some of the questions that we ask ourselves, which we have done over the last 18 years, and ironically, because of this yearly annual review, I think that it helps us maintain momentum for the next 12 months. So question number one, what financial lessons did you learn in 2020, and how will those lessons impact your behavior in 2021? Question number two, what one behavior could you modify today that would have the greatest impact on your finances for the remainder of this year? For example, some of you may be saying, I need to produce more income. Some of you may be saying, I need to reduce my debt. Some of you may be saying, I need to curb my appetite for impulse buying or online shopping. No matter how you answer that question, again, this is your behavior that you could modify. Question number three, what would the impact of changing or modifying that financial behavior look like? You need to paint a mental picture so that when it comes to pursuing your financial goals, at least you will have something to pursue. Question number four, how much money did I earn and save in 2020? Question number five, what is my savings goal for 2021? Now, I know you have an income goal for 2021, but I think it would be helpful to have a savings goal as well, because as you know, you can make $1 million a year, but if you spend $1 million, that still equals broke. Question number six, what was the difference between my year-end 2019 net worth and my year-end 2020 net worth? Now, hopefully you saw an increase in that net worth, and if not, why not? And when I talk about net worth or your personal balance sheet, it's very simple. All I mean is total assets, which is what you own, minus total liabilities, which is what you owe. And that number that you get is called your net worth. Keep in mind that this is just one number or a snapshot of a picture in time as it relates to your wealth. It is not a number that represents your value as a human being. It's just a number that represents pretty much the sum total of every financial decision you have made up to this point in your life. Question number seven, how can I pay myself in installments? Now, you may think this is weird. However, let me explain it. Because my wife and I have been living debt-free for over 13 years now, when it comes to our real estate taxes, for example, because we know exactly what it's going to cost us for 12 months, we pay ourselves 1/12 of that amount every month. And because we're saving every month, when we get that big fat real estate tax bill, we can just pay for it out of the money that we've saved. We do the same thing for our insurance premiums. We make a monthly contribution to our vacation account, which we utilize throughout the year to take vacations. Of course, we do the same for our HSA contribution. and our investment accounts as well. Again, there's a monthly amount of money that is transferred from our checking account to our brokerage account, from which we make our monthly investment. So that's just an example of paying yourself in installments. And question number 8, if I duplicate my daily financial behaviors the rest of my life, what type of future can I expect to live? So those are 8 questions that will hopefully allow you to get a little bit more focus and direction as it relates to your relationship with money in 2021. Always remember to count your money, then give every dollar you earn instructions so it will behave. Take care.